Well, things definitely got a little choppy in the markets yesterday. Hey everyone, it's Thursday morning, June 5th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Before we get started, a quick note. Today's episode is sponsored by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. For tailored investment solutions and top-quality mutual funds, visit amf-capital.de. So, the stock market yesterday was kind of all over the place. The Standard & Poor's 500 managed to hang on and stay slightly positive. The Nasdaq added more than 0.3%, but the Dow Jones slipped by around 0.2%, roughly 100 points down. Why the hesitation? A few reasons. First, a sharp slowdown in private sector hiring growth. The latest report showed just 37,000 new private payrolls last month. That's the weakest number in over 2 years and way below expectations. And it didn't stop there. More weak data came from the services side. The services PMI came in at 49.9 for May, signaling contraction. That's only the 4th time in the last 5 years that's happened. Bond markets reacted quickly. The yield on the 10-year Treasury fell close to 4.36%, its lowest since early May. And the 30-year yield dropped almost 10 basis points too. Investors clearly saw all this as a signal to move into safer ground. Then, there's the Trump factor. The president fired off at Jerome Powell after seeing that hiring report, saying he is unbelievable and calling for interest rate cuts. At the same time, his Tuesday order to double tariffs on steel and aluminum to 50% officially kicked in. Everyone except the UK is now paying more. On the global front, hopes for a US-China trade deal took another hit. Trump called President Xi extremely hard to make a deal with, and honestly, that Geneva tariff truce is looking more and more fragile. So yeah, between weak hiring, rising tariffs, and political tension, it's no surprise markets were a little cautious. Let's see how this all carries into the rest of the week. Catch you next time.